Hi guys, picked this one up in a charity shop a while back. Cost me £3. It's a laser cut kit. It's got rather a lot of parts. 105 pieces. Had intended to do it when we were on holiday, but didn't get round to it. So I thought I might sit down and do it today. Assembling without glue and chemicals. I must say, 105 pieces, that's a bit daunting. Not only is it 105 of them, but they're pretty small. Which is always a problem when your eyesight's not so good anymore. But hopefully lots of them are just repetitive, identical pieces. Right, let's go for it. We need C7. That one is C7. Okay, that popped out okay. C11, that piece. I have no doubt I will do two versions of this video. We'll have the full length version and a fast forward version. That would be okay, except I've just done it on the wrong side. That's going to be on the outside of the body, isn't it? So get that off again. Work it out gently. Right. First piece. A11. Oh. A11's going in there. A12 going there. That way up. A13. Oh, that didn't work well. That bit just split. Okay, we're in there. A17. A15. Surely not. That is A15. That should go on there. Oh, it did. Yeah. Okay, A15. A16. C8. We are done. Wow. Just a quick, there are a few spare bits for those bits that you're going to break, putting them together. But that is it. The only thing I will say is that propeller is definitely backwards compared to the picture. But it's got to be that way round because that's the side that the detail is on. It can't be on the other side. So that's the only fault I can find. The rest of it, it has gone together beautifully. What a wonderful kit. Wow. So just a quick check on the box again. 2014, maybe, date. Excellent. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.